Ngipediang ngobha yapi baro kibapet yakabam fan channel.
In the hustle and bustle of Laban, I sat at a bus stop, scripting Shillong's Momo Chronicles while admiring a beautiful street art across from me. The artwork emphasized the importance of the environment, urging us to plant more trees. Just above the bus stop stood the Laban Presbyterian Church, and to my left was Roaster, a fast food joint that opened after the COVID-19 pandemic. As I stepped inside, Tibetan Prayer Flags greeted me, instantly filling the space with a sense of peace. Captivated by the ambiance, my stomach growls with hunger. I quickly glance at the menu display on the counter and order the Steamed Chicken Momo with chicken soup. After placing my order, I inform a girl attending the food joint that I am documenting Shillong's Momo Chronicles and that this is my first fieldwork. She willingly offers to help and introduces herself as Anushka Chettri. After 10 minutes, my order was on the table. The sight of 6 pieces of steamed chicken momo made me even hungrier. I couldn't wait any longer and dug in. I ask her why pork momos are not available, and she explains that, as a member of the Chettri clan, pork is forbidden. Personally, I believe momos taste best with pork because of their fat content. In case you didn't know, when momos were first introduced in Shillong, only pork momos were available. It was only after poultry became more accessible that chicken momos were added to the menu. If you're a momo lover and want to learn how to make them, check out this video on our channel. The link is in the description. Well, the filling was average and the skin felt too thick for my liking. After finishing my momo, I moved on to the chicken soup and asked Anushka Chettri about Roaster's best sellers. She told me they were the chicken Szechuan momo, chicken cheesy momo, and chicken pan-fried momo. As for the chicken soup, it tasted like it was made from a soup cube with a few pieces of chicken added in. When it comes to pricing, the steamed chicken momo costs rupees 80, while the chicken soup is rupees 70. Considering both quality and price, I'd rate the steamed chicken momo as average and the chicken soup below average. Will I come back? Well, it's hard to say for sure, but their best seller seems tempting.